Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So finally OnePlus rolled out the stable oxygenos 14 for OnePlus 9 RT few days back. Actually I was on the custom ROM, so I reverted back to old oxygenos 13.1 592 Android 13.1. If you are on the latest version of oxygenos, then you will get directly OTA notification under updater section of the device. But as I'm on the too old version, I will directly flash the new oxygenos 14 EX01 manually while local install. You can also manually flash it. Just download this OTA package from the link given under the video description. Place it in the root of the storage, then go to the stock OTA updater. There tap left 3-dot menu and there select local install. Now select your downloaded OTA package file. System will verify it and showing its detail as oxygenos 14 EX01. Then to flash the OTA, just tap on the extract. Today in this video, we'll check out what's new things you get under the about device section, what's new features of Android 14 are available in this oxygenos build. We'll also thoroughly check out what's new features added by OnePlus in the new oxygenos version. At last, I've shown the performance testing in comparison with the old Android 14 Matrix OS, with the bugs and the missing features present in the update. So watch this video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started. On a new adventure. Installation of new OTA has been done and phone started to boot into the new oxygenos 14 with the same old boot animation. Now let's directly jump under the device section. So updater now showing we are on the latest oxygenos 14 EX01 version. It has some new changelog that we will discuss later in this video. As this is based on the new Android 14, we get the new Easter egg with the space war type hidden game inside. Security patch is also latest one from the December 2023. Version section showing this is the new Android 14 211 EX01 build. Kernel version is also updated to the 5.4.233 while the old build was on the 210 version. Now we will first check out all the new Android 14 features available in this OEM based oxygenos version. Under the QS panel section, we get the new monochrome hidden theme inside the digital well-being tile. First add this tile in the QS panel, tap on it, now set up the digital well-being. Once it gets enabled, monochrome theme will be available. We can disable it anytime by just tapping on the QS panel tile of digital well-being. Next, under the accessibility setting and under the vision section, we get the new magnification gestures. Along with the new magnification types, you can check on the screen how we can access and use the different sizes of magnifications, which are very useful. Next, under the security setting for the PIN password, we can now able to add 6-digit password, which was not possible in the previous version. But while unlocking the device, we didn't get the password animation on the lock screen like I got it in the pure pixel based Pixel OS and the Matrix OS custom ROMs. Under the AOD section, team has added the new carbon emission that visualizes the carbon emission happening around you in the real time. So it helps us to avoid moving around such areas which is polluted by the carbon emission pollution by tracking its real-time position around you. Now in the shape, we can add multiple widgets immediately using the plus icon available at the top left corner. In the new Notes application or any text editing app, now we get this editing option similar like Microsoft Word editing features like text, fonts, its position, font size, etc. Next, OnePlus added new Fluid Cloud feature, integrates all the notification features like bubbles, capsules, and the pop-up windows for unified display of notification in the status bar. And if it is synchronized with the OnePlus tablets, smartphones, and watches to show the real-time notification on all the devices at the same time using this new cloud-based service. Oxygenos added the new Aquamorphic design 2.0 to the oxygenos 14, which has more fluid animations, more vibrant colors, smoother animations for all the activities like app switching, apps opening, closing, switching between different applications, etc. Along with the design, OnePlus also added new aquamorphic sounds for ringtones and the notification. Here are some examples of these which are truly amazing. File dock and the new content extraction features are truly useful features. File dock is available in the special feature section and inside the app sidebar option. When you take the screenshot of any content on the device which has the text or the picture, you get the extract content option under the screenshot menu. By using this, you can copy, share any text available in the screenshot. If the screenshot has the picture, it recognizes it accurately and you can able to share that pictures or can directly save them into the phone. Or you can add them in the app dock available in the app sidebar. These are all the new features added by the OxygeNOS team in the new Android 14. They are also claimed that the stability of the new update will be better. It has the better performance and the battery life. Actually, though the animation of the new Aquamorphic designs are smoother, but still they felt slower. So I decided to run the Geekbench performance test and I compared it with the old Matrix OS Android 14 based ROM that we reviewed earlier. In the first round, I ran the test without performance mode and I got the score of 1103 and 3394. Here single core performance seems lower as compared to the Geekbench average database. For the GPU, got the score of 4266 and 3928 for OpenGL and Vulkan graphics respectively. Here Vulkan score again went very low. So I will not compare these results with the Matrix OS. I enabled the performance mode and this time the score went all high. We got the single and multi-core results as 1432 and 3476 for the single and multi-core respectively. For last Matrix OS, the scores were 1485 and 3583 respectively, which are still better than the stock OxygeNOS 14. While for the OpenGL and Vulkan graphic GPU performance, stock OxygeNOS has the 4546 and 5352 respectively, while Matrix OS given results of 4470 and 5006 for the OpenGL and Vulkan graphics respectively. Here only Vulkan scores are outstanding for the stock OxygeNOS. Still remember, the performance mode of OxygeNOS will drain more battery as compared to the custom ROMs. Next we will test the touch sampling rate of the new stock OxygeNOS 14. Here I got the maximum 125 Hz of maximum touch output rate. There is no setting available in the settings of the device to use 600 touch sampling rate of the device. It only activates while playing the games via game space application. So we discussed everything. Now it's time to show you some missing features of Android 14 and the bugs present in this update. First is we didn't get the new AI generated wallpapers and new AI emojis under the wallpapers and style section of the device. Similarly, we didn't get the new lock screen widgets of the lock screen, but we already had lots of customization under the always on display section of the OxygeNOS, where we can add different clocks or any kind of widgets on the lock screen or on the AOD display. New linear font control QS panel tile is also missing in this update, which is the key feature of Android 14. Except this, if your device bootloader is unlocked, you may face the CTS profile getting failed in SafetyNet application and the device play protect is showing the uncertified. These two bugs are only can found in the unlocked bootloader devices. Locked bootloader device users may not face these bugs. Except this missing Android 14 features, nothing is buggy in the device. It's working perfectly smooth and flawlessly on the new Android 14. Battery life is yet to test. I will report it soon after 2 to 3 days of testing. Until then, if you liked my work, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content for OnePlus 9 RT. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.